Applesauce and pork chops are the quintessential fall dish. Fortunately, there's not much prep, so it's straight out to the grill we go. Out here, I've preheated my Weber Q to a medium heat, and I have some thin-cut bone-in pork chops that I've seasoned with salt and pepper. They are only about 3/4 of an inch, or 2 centimeters thick, so they could go straight on the grill. If you want to use thick-cut chops, you're going to have to use a reverse sear method. Click the video link up top to see how to cook with this method. However, thin cuts like these are quick and easy. You could just lay them straight on the grill like so. And once all your pork chops are on board, shut the lid and let this cook for about 3 minutes on the first side. And after 3 minutes, we can go ahead and check on our pork chops and give them all a turn. And as you turn these chops, depending on how much olive oil you applied, you may get some flare-ups. And don't worry guys, those fire engine sirens you hear in the background are not for me. The joys of living in the big city. Am I right guys? Anyways, these chops are coming along very nicely and very quickly. That's the beauty of using thin-cut chops. Anyways, shut the lid and let this go for another 3 minutes or so. So after 6 minutes of total grilling time, these pork chops should be just about done. If you want to be safe, you can temperature check your pork chops. You're looking for a target internal temperature of 145 degrees F, which is 63 degrees C. And because I am exactly at that mark, I'm going to pull all of my pork chops off of this grill. However, we are not quite done with the grill yet, so after pulling all of our chops off the grill, it's time to reset it so that we could heat up some applesauce. So here I am placing a roasting rack with a foil shield with no holes poked in it. I'm now going to place my pork chops onto this rack. What I've essentially done is I've made a makeshift warming rack. With no holes poked in the foil, there won't be enough heat coming through the bottom of the grill to continue to cook these chops. But it does make for the perfect setting to heat up some applesauce. This is just ordinary store-bought applesauce that I'm going to spoon generously on each pork chop. If you wish, you could also dust your pork chops in applesauce with a little bit of cinnamon here as well. For today's video, I've already mixed in a little bit extra cinnamon with my applesauce. And I think one more spoonful should just about do it here. There we go. Now we're going to shut the lid. I'm going to leave my gas knob on at about medium and come on back in about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you'll see that the ambient temperature of my grill has not risen all that much, which is perfect because it kept my pork chops hot without cooking them anymore and was just warm enough to heat up the applesauce glaze on top. So now there's only one thing left to do, and it's pull them all off the grill and enjoy. So there you go guys. That is how you can grill up applesauce pork chops on a Weber Q or any other gas grill. Like I said in the very beginning, this is the quintessential fall dish, and it's so simple and easy and delicious to make. Best of all, this is a dog-friendly recipe, so Huey can make a return and give us a taste test today. What do we think here, buddy? It's finger-licking good as always. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you all again next week. Bye.